everyone, and welcome back to Organized by Chance. I am Sherry, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking up with some of my organization I've had in this home for 25 years. We have lived in this home for 25 years. I have not changed this at all because I am a creature of habit, but I'm learning that we are ever changing, we are ever evolving, our needs change. And quite frankly, I'm getting old and my back hurts. So it's hard to stoop down sometimes to get to what we need. My husband agrees. So what I'm going to be doing today is taking the dish towels and the dish rags from the bottom drawer. I'm showing you here. I'm going to be moving them to the side next to my kitchen sink so I don't have to walk across the kitchen to get to my dish towels and my dish rags. I will have them right next to the sink. I'm going to move the pot holders in the drawer next to that. Both of these drawers are currently junk drawers. What I plan to do with the junk drawer stuff is move it into my buffet, which really is a junk dresser. Let's just be honest. We all have a whole bunch of junk drawers, if you will. So that'll open up the bottom drawer for storage. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with that. There's several other things that I'm going to be going through in here, but those will be for another video. But for today, I'm going to work on emptying out these drawers, washing them out, moving the towels over there, as well as the dish rags and the pot holders, and I will show you the end result. So let's get to it and see how it looks. There you have it. It is not fancy. I used what I had. I don't like the way that the plastic bags look with all of my extra little bits and bobs in them, like my picture hangers and those kind of little bitty pieces that need to be kept together. But that's what I have, and that's what I've been using. And until I find some other solution, that's what I'm going to do. I just want to share this with everybody again. Your life is not a Pinterest board. While those are beautiful, that isn't real life for the majority of people. It may be for some, but it is not real life for the majority of people. It's not going to look like that all the time. It may look like that initially, but it's not going to look like that all the time. So I do feel like it's going to function better. I'm going to give it a try and see. I am realizing I'm not married to it. If I don't like it, I can take it out and put it back the way that I had it. It is not a problem. But for now, guys, let's continue to make space for the things that we love, and I'll see you next time. Bye!